not having a good day. They got themselves out of that situation. They just smashed into a big rock in the middle of that pool. Yeah, right in the middle of that pool that I was fishing. Ah well. Welcome to another adventure. This is NZ Adventurer. I'm at one of my favourite spots and there's been plenty of fish here rising and getting busy on the surface, but I've struggled a bit. I did catch 4 the other day, and then the last sort of day or so it's been hard. I hooked one last night and the thing broke off. Turned out my tippet material was spent, so that was a good find. I've switched that out, but I couldn't figure out what the fish are eating. But I've just been for a pack craft, did a drift, put my net in, and I'm pretty sure it's passion vine hoppers, the lace moth, which makes sense. They're around everywhere. I just didn't realize that's what the fish were eating. So I've just had a look through the fly box and found something. Might have actually been a caddis, but I've modified it slightly, just changed the wing shape and chopped off the little feelers at the front. So I reckon I've matched the hatch. I'll put a picture up for you guys to have a look and see if you think. So I'm just gonna see if this little fly is gonna work. I've got no idea what that fly is called. Hopefully passion vine hopper. Let's see if the fish like it. You guys can see, but there's a jet boat. They actually saw me and launched upstream, so cheers guys, thanks for that. And they were coming down, they saw me and decided to do a turn to actually to not come in the water with me, which is awesome. They've ended up going high and dry, so I might actually wander up and see if they need it. It doesn't look too good. They're not having a good day. They got themselves out of that situation. They just smashed into a big rock in the middle of that pool. Yeah, right in the middle of that pool that I was fishing. Ah well, hopefully the boat's alright. I don't wish them any ill. In the North Island, you probably saw my video fishing with motorbikes, trout versus moto. South Island version's the jet boat. To be fair, I want a jet boat. My wife's not too keen. She reckons we got enough boat. She's wrong on that one. You can never have too many boats. But I smashed that rock. It wasn't moving. Just wait here, they'll come back up. Where are you from?
I grew up in Rotorua.
Yep.
There's a fucking big dent there.
Well, that's the. Oh, yeah. That'll change your.
Rock versus jet boat. Yeah, so the jet boat's off now. They ended up in a sad story. Bit of lost steering, not enough power, hit the huge rock, dented the boat. I think it's time for a beer for those boys. So yeah, all is quiet now. Back to the fishing. Let's see what happens.